Brinley, what do you want for Christmas?
An ice cream.
What else?
Candy.
Candy. What kind of candy?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Do you want any toys?
And Elsa.
You want Anna and Elsa?
And put my costume on.
Yeah.
Elsa and Anna.
And what else?
And a phone.
A phone?
Like you.
And you want an iPhone?
Oh,
goodness. Anything else you would want?
I want a face.
You want a face?
And glasses.
And glasses?
And teeth.
And teeth? Are you just looking at me and naming things?
And eyes.
You want eyes? What color eyes do you want?
Black.
Black eyes? Well, you already have dark brown eyes.
Can I see it? Can I see the picture of it?